In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 more faceless YouTube channel ideas that you could potentially start and start seeing some money. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the idea, different ways to monetize it, and how you can get started today. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn all of the different opportunities that are out there for you. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I've successfully promoted everything from security cameras, web hosting, online courses, stand mixers, and sound bars. If you want to learn different tips, tricks, and tactics to actually make money online with affiliate marketing and other sources, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook is going to teach you how to make money online step by step. All right, guys, since you enjoy my faceless YouTube channel idea so much, I decided to go back and take a look at 7 more. Now, most of these channels are based off of either videos that I watch, and so I know that they're really popular, or ideas that just kind of sprung upon me. So let's go ahead and take a look at number 1. This first one is Audit the Audit. Now, I call this like the crime genre or the crime niche. And we take a look at this channel, Audit the Audit. They're monetized by the YouTube Partner Program. They're also monetized by brand deals and sponsorships. And basically what that means is they'll do special in-video promotion where they'll name a brand that they're working with, and that brand will pay them for, X amount of dollars per month. And the way that this works out is this channel here called Audit the Audit. What they'll do is they'll do their introduction, and then they'll cut into a brand deal, and they'll actually give a special coupon code out to their subscribers. So as you can see here, this channel has over 1.5 million subscribers, and basically what they're doing is they're reviewing police interactions with citizens, and they're getting a lot of these news stories from different news outlets. They're actually getting comments from their viewers and subscribers, and so this can actually be a great way to make money. Now, this channel is very thorough. They spend a lot of time going over case law and constitutional law, things of that nature. This will take a decent amount of time, but you can see they are rewarded by hundreds of thousands of views. They upload about once a week, and they're still getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. If you look through here, they're going through police accountability and police interaction. If we take a look at Social Blade, according to Social Blade, they're making $52,000 per month, and that doesn't even include the brand deals that I mentioned a little bit earlier. There probably could be some affiliate marketing opportunities. Maybe they could recommend that you subscribe to Hulu or HBO. In the description, there is or potentially be some opportunity down there. But one of the first ones, one of the great ones I just stumbled across this channel is called Audit the Audit. The second one is within the health niche. Now, the reason why I want to point this one out is this channel, which is really interesting to me, they are using recorded voice, AI voice, and they're actually doing text-to-speech. I believe they're using a software called like InVideo. It doesn't really matter what the software that they're using, but they're getting hundreds of thousands of views. So if we go to most popular, you can see that this video from just a year ago has 523,000 views. Another video, 138,000 views. So automated AI voice can work as long as you're creating content that people actually want to see. For example, if we look at this jump rope one, it talks about the benefits of jump roping, and they actually have a few different videos that talk about jump roping. So their niche could be, exercise, jump roping, things of that nature. And what you can do is you can type in something like benefits of jump rope like this, and you can see that people are asking questions all about jump roping. We could start something like how to start jump roping like this. And you can see there are all sorts of people asking questions and different types of questions about jumping rope and jump roping. According to Social Blade, it says that they're only making $90. I disagree with that wholeheartedly. They're probably making maybe 10 times that or 200 times that at this point. And there's a number of ways that you can monetize it. You can monetize this with affiliate marketing. You can monetize this with brand deals, sponsorships, the YouTube Partner Program, of course, and a few other ways. Maybe you're selling your own digital product like a course or an ebook. There's a number of ways to monetize this type of content. But I want to point this out because AI content can work still in 2022. After health, we are actually looking at most dangerous. Now, this is really interesting to me because there's all sorts of stuff that you can create content. There's all sorts of avenues that you can go down. Now, I just typed in most dangerous, and you can see the top result, 6.2 million views, 2 million subscribers. If we look at Ahrefs, which is a keyword research tool that I use, most dangerous has 1.2 million monthly searches, over 102,000 keywords. So you can do most dangerous cities in the US, and you can even break this down by state. For example, we do most dangerous cities in the US. We'll do 2021. And we'll take a look. The top result, 5.1 thousand views, only 8,000 subscribers. The one below that, 4,000 views, 1.76 thousand subscribers. And this is a travel channel. So this could be an opportunity to help you make money. Now, you don't just have to limit it to the most dangerous cities. As you see here, there's all sorts of stuff that you can get into. You can also do individual states as well. Most dangerous cities. We can do most dangerous cities in Milwaukee or most dangerous cities in Wisconsin, and simply go that route. But this is another good opportunity. Another one, and I don't know if I've mentioned this before, is Would You Rather. Would You Rather to me is really interesting because it's not overly difficult. This top result, 1.4 million views, only 5,000 subscribers at this point. Would you rather, 10 hardest choices ever. It's a 6-minute video. I'd make sure to get it at least to 8. But you can do this for your sports, for Disney. You can do this for health. You can do this for just about anything. So you could say something like, would you rather, hit the space bar, would you rather like Kobe Bryant or Michael Jordan, And you're going to see that people are asking this question. What you would do is you would simply say, hey, would you rather have, who would you rather take the last shot, Michael Jordan or Kobe Bryant? And then you can list their stats. You can see here 344 views, this one 59 views, 12 million views from 10 months ago. And you simply list their stats and then say comment below who you'd rather have, and then this is actually really shareable content. So the CPMs will probably be a little bit lower, but you're going to get many more views because it's shareable content. If you create an argument or you provide a non-biased argument, that could be a really cool opportunity. After Would You Rather, we're going to jump back over to Safest. Now what we can do here, once again, there's 1.2 million searches per month. There's over 175,000 keywords. We can do the safest cities in the US. And once we paste this in like that, hit enter, you're going to see that there are hundreds of thousands of views to be had. 10 safest cities in the US 2022, 251,000 views from 11 months ago, 354,000 views, 2.7 thousand views, safest cities. Now this is going to be a mid-tier CPM because this is the travel niche, but it's not actually providing information maybe directly on travel. But you can see that if you create content on the safest city, that can get you a lot of views as well. If we come back over here, the next one I want to point out, and this is actually my channel. Now what I want to show you is how much does a YouTuber make on YouTube. Now the first 3 results here on this channel, it's a baby channel, only 1.54 thousand subscribers. This video, 26,000 views. This video, 12,000 views. And the video before that, 5.6 thousand views. Now the way I was able to stumble across these, and you can see it kind of works on command, is actually used TubeBuddy. So I went up to TubeBuddy and I did the keyword explorer and I typed in how much does blank make on YouTube. For example, how much does underscore make on YouTube, like this. Now believe it or not, these actually get decent, I would say this is a mid to high tier CPM depending on the niche that the YouTuber is in. It actually does fluctuate based on the YouTuber and their popularity, but you can simply just go through each letter of the alphabet. Now what sets my videos apart from the other videos that are in the space is I actually take a closer look and I try and give you an estimate on the other sources of income. If we just typed in how much does Unwind with Tasha K make on YouTube, you're going to see that there are lots of these channels out here, but they make short 2, 3, 4 minute videos. I make much longer videos. You can see here, this video is only 4 minutes long. My video is 10 minutes long simply because I go more in depth. I take a look at the last 10 videos that they've uploaded and I'll give you an idea of the different revenue streams that they have created. And so you can see here, my video is really the only videos over 10 minutes, but you can see that this is an opportunity as well. And once again, you can just go through each letter of the alphabet. So we could type in Q or P, for example, and then you can just go through and make the videos. And the other cool thing about this is shareable content. And what you'll do, and what I did, is I actually had people comment down below with other YouTubers that they wanted me to take a look at. So if we take a look at this video here, and I don't want to spend a lot of time talking about myself, but if we take a look at this video here, I'm just going to pause it. There are tons of comments, people arguing with each other, people arguing with me, people just want to be heard and seen. But if we scroll down here, 243 comments about Tasha K. People arguing for Tasha K, against Tasha K. You can see that there is lots of things, and it actually helps that I went and I commented a lot as well. So you can see there's lots of opportunity, in my opinion, within this niche. And the final thing that we want to take a look at is things that you don't know. Now, this again is a huge niche, and it's kind of like the would you rather. There's lots of subtopics that you could get into, like 10 things you didn't know about LeBron James. You can see here. Now, again, this is going to be a lower CPM, cost per milli or cost per 1,000, but there are going to be much more views. People, again, like to argue about celebrities. They like to share this content with their friends. You can see here, 242,000 views, 100,000 views, 50,000 views, 346,000 views about things you didn't know. And you can just go through each letter of the alphabet. If you wanted to focus on movies, you could do 10 things you didn't know about Minecraft, LaMelo Ball. Beetlejuice, for example, is a good one that gets hundreds of thousands of views. This is from 1 month ago, 570,000 views. But you'll say, hey, look, he has 406,000 subscribers. But look at the view to subscriber ratio. Whenever there are more views than subscribers, you know that this is a good video that you could potentially replicate. Look at that, 65,000 views, lots of opportunity that you could potentially make money. So let's just recap real quick. You can create content about the crime niche, cop accountability, health, most dangerous, would you rather, safest, how much does a YouTuber make, and then 10 things you didn't know. Now that you know 7 faceless YouTube channels that you could start today, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.